All right, good job. So now let's do it with let's rate our feelings um, with a couple more silly examples, and then we'll practice some more. So remember, so 0 is not at all, 5 is in the middle, and 10 is definitely. Okay, so how excited would you feel if your parents told you that tomorrow you're leaving for a week-long vacation to Disney World? 0, you wouldn't feel excited at all. 5, you'd feel medium excited. 10, you'd feel the most excited you've ever felt in your life. Go ahead and stand at the spot in the room where you would feel. Okay, now let's do another example. Your parents told you that you could eat ice cream for breakfast for the rest of the week. 0 excited, not at all. Middle, super excited. Good job. You found out that you can't go to your friend's house anymore this weekend. 0, not sad at all. 5, medium sad. 10, super, 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 super sad. All right, good job. I think we're ready to keep practicing. Okay, so now your teacher will take out their scenario cards, and they're going to read the scenarios, and you're going to be good listeners for them reading the scenarios, and then you're going to practice picking which option the wise owl would pick. So there's 2 options. So what you'll do first is you'll hear the scenario, and you'll think about, remember, thought, feelings, actions, triangle. You'll think about how that would make you feel, and then you'll rate your feelings. So first, teacher will read the scenario. You'll walk to the color zone you'd feel. Then you'd rate your feeling. So if you walk to red zone, you'd rate 0 to 10. How angry would I feel? And if you would feel a very high number of anger, let's say 7 or up, then you probably need a pause, don't you? Because if you're feeling super, super angry, are you going to make wise choices? You'd probably make a shark choice, right? You'd probably make a choice of yelling or being cranky or saying something mean or pushing someone. So if you're feeling super high number of anger, you need to take a pause. So then as a class, you can do some box breathing, some hand breathing, whatever you want to do to take a pause. See if you can get that number down lower, and then choose your action, okay? So if you're reading the scenario and you're going to the red zone and most of your class is feeling lower than a 5, lower than a 7 of anger, then go ahead and don't take a pause and just continue on and see if you can make a wise owl choice. Just see if you can do it. All right, if you can't yet, then take a pause. So we're just practicing what this would feel like in different scenarios, how we would decide to pause, and when we pause, if it would make us feel any less angry or less sad about something, and if we can make a smarter, wiser choice, okay? So there's quite a few scenarios. Just do as many as you have time for. And I'll just review one more time. So the teacher will read the scenario. You'll walk to the color zone. You'll rate it from 0 to 10. If most of your class is above a 7, take a pause altogether. Then the teacher can read the 2 choices and you'll pick one. If most of the class is feeling less than a 7 anger, then try it out. Then the teacher can read the 2 options, see if you can pick the wise choice. If it's tricky, try doing the pause anyways. All right. Have fun practicing, and thanks for being good listeners, and continue to be wise owls the rest of your week. Bye, everybody.